Well, here's the old Jeep Renegade, Liberty, Renegade, whatever you want to call this thing. Going to install these Auxbeam lights in it. The box got a little damaged in shipping, but the lights still seem to be fine. 9007s. And put a link in the description, of course, where you guys can get these guys. But these ones do not have fans, and they seem to be pretty sweet looking. Let's pull them out here, get a little bit better of a look here, but Auxbeam. And they do not have the model number written right on them, but it's on the tag. These were, what did they say on here? Model A2. Give them a try. And I have Auxbeam LED lights in this truck here, but they're a little too bright. So I might end up getting another set of these for my truck. We'll see. Roxy, you're sandblasting the friggin' house. Like, look at that. Roxy.
She's like, I smell something under there, or I'm gonna get it.
Well, I just smelt it in Mr. Chippendale yesterday, around there. But, interesting. Okay, let's put these guys in. Wow, look at the camera. Wow. Your battery is toast.
Battery or alternator?
Yep. By the way, they are flickering, but not as bad as the camera's showing them. Go to high beam or low beam, switch them. Yeah, that's better. Now they're solid. Yeah, now they're solid. Yeah, they were pulsating for some reason. You don't sound that healthy. One of your tensioners most likely worse.
You're gonna cause me problems this winter, aren't you, you bitch?
Yeah.
I mean, she is 14 years old, so.
Yeah. Well, the headlights are solid. It's just when you just start it up, shut it off and start it up again. Just because how weak your battery is. It needs a battery service and a new battery. Start it up. Yeah. Okay, leave it off. Should be good. Wow. Big chooch of black or blue smoke. She's a worn out 320,000 kilometers. You got your headlights on.
311.
311, okay. Soon to be a bush buggy.
We'll fix it up for Logan to take through the trails.
You left your headlights on. Harder. Harder.
Harder, faster, deeper.
Toothpaste.
Need some more water?
No, not yet. This is the test. We polished them up with the toothpaste pretty decently. If it starts. Whew. They're a little brighter, that's for sure. Okay, cycle high and low. High and low beam. There you go. Yeah, they're not as bright as mine, that's for sure. But mine are too bright. Go for a boot and see how they look.
Beam?
That's low beam. Try high beam. Those are actually perfect. I don't think you need. And okay, yeah, that's not bad. That is pretty decent.
And that's regular.
That's just daytime runnings? Okay. Oh, so they do go on the daytime running. Oh no, that might be your bottom fog lights. Turn on and off your fog lights. Go on low.
I forgot how to do that. There we go.
Yellow fog lights. Now turn on. Yeah. Huh. And this yellow. They're nice and bright. Okay, and I'll go full high beams again. Okay, go for a cruise and we'll check it out when we get down the trail. Still in the yard. I guess we need to put them on here. That's high beam. Go to low. Man, those are nice and spread. You know, I think I like these better than the set I put in my truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty decent. And of course the camera's not picking it up nowhere near as good as it really is, but I see way into the bush across the turn here, so That's one thing I can't wait till I get a new phone or a new camera to see how much better the video at night is. Pictures are good, as I'll stop and take a few pictures you guys will see here. I just took a few pictures. Yeah, the stop sign's lit up very well at the back there. And it's actually not too bad with the secondary lens here. That's on high. Go with the low beams. High again. It's pretty good. I like them.
I like
Yeah.
them too.
Seeing you've been driving with only one high beam for how long?
Like a week or so.
A week or so, more like a month or two. How many? 8,000 kilometers of moving?
Yeah, something like that.
Too bad we didn't do this at the beginning, hey?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go down the 404 for a little bit here.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. That is, oh, deer in front of you.
Yep, I see that. Let's see if my low beams catch him too. They did, a little bit.
He's in the ditch on that side there.
No, I think that's that post.
No, the deer's right there.
There he is.
Yeah. There's another one. Yeah, don't need to hit them yet. You got headlights now. Okay, go high and low beam. That's high. Low. I'm going to stand back over here. Those are nice headlights. Okay, turn on your roof lights. Those are what we need to change next. Now turn on your fog lights. Fog lights. So, nope, you gotta switch. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, I actually do smell that too.
I probably spilled some oil when I put
Yeah, you did, because I could see it all over here. Yeah. It's definitely oil, because when you backed up, we seen it. So, hey, the way I think of it, the Jeep might be on its last legs, but it has a freaking awesome set of headlights, that's for sure. Yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to say these lights are definitely dimmer than the lights I installed in my headlight, in my Ford Ranger, but at the same time, I find the ones in my Ford Ranger are actually too bright. These lights here are happy medium, perfect, not the brightest they make, but so far, in my opinion, I am very happy. And yeah, I'll be doing a test, of course, over the winter and see what happens. I'm going to put a link in the description where you guys can see the more specs on these lights. I am kind of making this video a little blind because I don't have a full spec sheet of what kind of bulbs they are or anything. But again, the link will be in the description, and they are considered a little bit of a lower end light for an LED light, but they are freaking awesome and very easy to install. Roxy, we gotta go. Hey, work time. Roxy, get out of bed. It's not your bed anyway. Spare bed. Come on. Roxy. Roxy. Come on. Out of bed. Roxy. Come on. Time to go. If I put my leash on her, she'll wake up. And thought I'd mention Auxbeam also sent me a light bar and 2 other lights here. Okay, so here's the set that was in that box right there. And first impressions are, they are sweet. Hard to get a real good picture there, but I'm going to have to pull up on their website to put a link in the video here of what model number this is. You can see double mounting nuts come permanently mounted in there. And comes with some pretty unique looking brackets here. You see, I guess you can mount them with one bolt there. These are for sliding the light up and down. Ooh, comes with an Allen key too. Fancy, fancy. Overall build quality of these are very nice. Again, thinking for the Dune buggy, that wiring plug pops right back in. Just because I was playing with it, that it popped out. So this guy's the same way. And now for the fancy lights bar. Okay, so this one here, that's the information they came with, mounting instructions, hardware brackets in there. But this one here is meant to be like an amber light. So again, with the flash on my camera here, kind of hard to get a good shot, but you got the 6 center ones here seem to be flood, 2 outside ones, so 6 floods, 4 spots if I'm seeing right. Pretty fancy looking light. Auxbeam written on both sides there. Has a lens protector, well, piece of plastic over it there. But it's a little bit heavy, that's for sure. Very, very nicely built, that's for sure. Looks like they got a plug there. I guess that's because just universal end caps they use. This side has a wire on it. And the way this one works here, from what I can see, is you got your normal power lights, and then you could turn on and off the amber, I guess. I don't know if I'd use the orange light, but this is one they recommended I do a review on, and I think it'll work perfect. I'm still thinking this one would be ideal for the tractor. Now the thing is with the tractor, it's a 20 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin. I might run into some charging issues if I run this guy. I'm not 100% sure yet. So before I do that, on the tractor I got to see what I can run. As for wattages and all the specs on these, to be honest, I have to go online, put some links in the video description, and also during the video so you guys can see model numbers.